Alright guys, so for the last couple weeks I've had a lovely noise coming from my AC compressor and kind of neglected it in hopes that it could wait until I was done moving houses. So this is a 2000 F-150 5.4 Triton. This should be the same for the 4.6 in the F-150, 250. I believe even the 5.4 came in the F-350 of this generation. Expeditions, Navigators, I believe are the same also. Maybe not Navigators since it's the dual overhead cam. Anyways, so what I did was I bypassed the AC compressor. I bought two parts. I bought you can see it down there, a new ribbed idler pulley. And I got all these parts from AutoZone just because that was what was nearest to me and I was stuck on the side of the road. The part number for this puppy is a 231015 for the idler pulley. And then that's a 6-rib pulley. So you're going to have to get a different belt. And what you're looking at is a 795 K6, which is roughly a 79.5-inch belt. Other videos show a longer belt, so I thought I'd just make a video with the correct size belt and the correct numbers. Basically all you're gonna need, this is about a 10-minute job, you're gonna unclip your air cleaner there, pull it up out of the way, take your old belt off. To take your old belt off, you're gonna need a 1/2-inch breaker bar, ratchet, whatever. I used a ratchet with a breaker bar on the end of it, cheater bar. You're going to rotate it clockwise to loosen the tensioner, and mine was a little bit of a bugger, that's why I needed the cheater bar. But take your old belt off, and then you're going to use a 13mm socket to take the idler pulley off. Now, the route that the belt goes now, it comes down off the alternator to the power steering, to the water pump, to the crank like normal. Now, instead of going up and over into the AC and up to the alternator, all we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to run it past the tensioner and around that guy and up over the alternator. So 79.5-inch belt is what you need. It's a nice tight fit. Again, here's your part numbers that you need. 795K6 for your belt and 231015 for your idler pulley. Okay. I did not take the time to see if there was an interchange to use a different brand or whatever, but that's where we're at. And she runs nice and quiet and happy. As you can see, it looks a little bit different. The belt rides in a different place, but it's not the end of the world. The belt isn't rubbing anywhere, and all your AC components are still there if you choose to fix it later on down the road. And this is going to save you money. I got $38 into this whole setup. So thanks guys.